Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I am picking up the camera today and vlogging. It's a Monday, it's a morning and it's sunny, so I'm feeling very happy. But the reason I am vlogging, as you would see on the title of the video, is I'm going to be vlogging every day until this channel is monetized. I just need a bit of an incentive to keep going because I'm so close to it being monetized. And I just think this way I'll push myself to do it, if that makes any sense. So if you don't understand the monetization of YouTube and stuff, basically you need to have 4,000 worth of watching hours and 1,000 subscribers to your channel within a year. I've already done the subscribers. I'm well over that, which is great. Basically, my channel was monetized I lost my monetization about a year ago because I just wasn't posting regularly enough and YouTube wants you to, basically, which makes sense. I look gross today. But I am so close. So I've got about 3,690 worth of hours. So I've got around 300 hours to go until I can monetize this channel again. And I've already got £57 in my account from when I last monetized, but I can't claim that until I make £60. And when I say monetized, I am not going to be making millions and hundreds, and basically I'm going to be making pence on my videos. But it's really nice, isn't it, knowing that you are creating content and actually getting a little bit of money out of it. And then you never know, a video could go viral and you get like a tenner. But it's really nice, and obviously I make money other ways doing content as well. So I thought I'd vlog every day until I'm monetized. So it's going to be a bit hard for me. I have no idea how long it's going to take me. So please, please, please binge watch my channel. Even if you don't watch it, or if you've watched them before, I'll still get the hours. So I'd really love it if anyone could just like play my videos in the background or whatever. So today looks like a home day. Well, it is a home day. This weekend just gone, we had a show with our theatre school. Me and Liam both work for our theatre school, and Otis, our little boy, was actually in the show. It was very cute, but we just needed a day off today rather than going into the office. That being said, I have to wash all, I'm like costume girl, so I have to do sort all the costumes out. So I've literally washed all the costumes. I've managed to do all of them last night, so I'm just trying to get them dry now. It is a nice warm day, however I'm just putting them in the tumble dryer because I just want to get them dried and bagged up and ready to go back to the office tomorrow. But today looks like a home day. I'm going to be pottering around the house. I'm also going to be resting. Me and Liam are both going to be chilling a lot today. Our little boy's at nursery. We just needed time without anyone here. If you know, you know. But like I said, it is a really lovely day, so I'm half tempted to mow the grass. However, we've got very patchy grass at the moment. I've laid some seed down, so that's probably not the best idea. However, I just want it to look neat because on Thursday we're getting a pergola, however you say it, put in, which I'm so excited about. I think I mentioned on my last video how we are going to set it out. So I just want the garden to feel like fresh, ready for Thursday. I'm actually working all day Thursday and then out Thursday evening, so I don't think I'll actually get to like enjoy it on Thursday. but you know, we've got the whole summer. So I might get out in the garden in a bit and just tidy up. We've got like the rug on the grass, Otis is like racing tracks out, and just sweep up a little bit, and I might mow the grass. I'm not sure what to do about the grass, guys. I'm tempted. There's a place called Green Thumb, not a place, a company called Green Thumb, and they come and basically treat your grass, and it basically probably needs like landscaping again, but we just don't do very well in this garden with our grass. I don't know if it's because we've got a massive tree at the bottom of our garden, it just saps the energy out of the grass. I've no idea, and it's quite shaded in parts. So any grass recommendations, please let me know. Any like, I don't know, treatment or anything. There's loads of moss in it as well, but I don't want to take the moss out because it'll literally look like mud. I don't know, or do we need to do that? No idea. So that's grass talk, chilling talk. I'm going to potter around the house, maybe do some cleaning bits, and then pick Otis up later. We're having literally a home day. I've not got any plans to go out apart from picking Otis up. We need to go and get a few shopping bits, so Liam might do that in a bit. But yeah, join me to vlog every day until I'm monetized. I keep doing that, it's so gross. Need to stop. So here's the costumes, guys. I've got a bag ready, that's all dry, washed, cleaned in the bag. These are all cleaned, they're drying over there. That's an empty bag because I've managed to like fold it nice. And then I've got some in the tumble dryer, which I actually need to turn on. Are you gonna work? There we go. Okay guys, I've just come out into the garden. Oh, sorry, the camera moved. So as you can see, we're just a bit dirty. Cars, rug. This is the grass. Let me go down. So we are grassing a bit, but it's just, I've laid seed down. It's just so awful. I've got no hope of this grass seed working. I don't know why it's not come up yet. I did it ages ago. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's clean up a bit. guys, I have done the garden. Sorry, I was out of breath then. And while I did the garden, I boiled myself some eggs. Liam's just getting ready. I don't know what he wants, but I don't think he'll want that. Oh, and the floor's dead dirty because I came inside with my shoes on. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I haven't like properly done it, and I've decided not to bother with the grass because that slug rug, horrendous. There was loads of slugs on the bottom of that rug, and it's made the garden dead wet, the grass dead wet. So I'm not going to bother mowing it today. I don't know about the grass. We'll see. And also, I'm very aware that the guys are going to be doing work on Thursday, so I probably shouldn't have even bothered tidying it up and sweeping, but never mind. What a random breakfast, but I really fancied it and trying to eat a bit healthier. Love boiled eggs, love oranges. Guys, I've just had an impulsive feeling to clean my washing machine. So because I've cleaned all the costumes and I've literally not done this for so long, it's disgusting. Like, look at all this. That's making me feel disgusting and just gross. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that bit, it goes everywhere. The drawer's not too bad, I do try and keep on top of it, but like, scummy, horrible. Just recorded that whole last clip on slow-mo, but I might add it. I'll give this a scrub as well. Okay, so that is loads better, so I'm going to pop that in. Make sure it's really tight. And then I'm going to give the rim a bit of a clean. Oh my gosh, boy mom stone. Look at that, gross. Okay, I'm just going to show you this bit, can you see? And I am just going to spray it with some mould and mildew, hopefully. I don't know if you can, there we go. It's really hard doing this one-handed. So I've given the rim a good scrub, I've given there a good scrub. So I'm just going to spray it all down now and disinfect the machine itself. Okay, so I'm now just gonna like scrub this bit here. This isn't bad, but I'll just give it a good clean and then put everything back together. So I've done it, but I wasn't actually satisfied because I couldn't get these off. But I worked with Scrubology cleaning stone, and I'm just going over. It's like a paste that you like put water to, and it's just coming up really well. I am so happy with that. Look how clean it is. No grime. All this is all nice and clean. I can even see myself in the drawer, looking fresh. So I'm gonna whack these cloths on, a quick wash, and then I'll do mine has like a drum clean, so then I'll do a drum clean spin as well. I'm now just sitting outside with a little snack of apple and peanut butter. It's absolutely beautiful today. So we're now watching the next episode of White Lotus. Is it on? Is it not there?
It's not at the moment.
I thought it was Sunday nights.
Yeah, it should be. It might be because it's been left on.
Is it
Yeah,
there?
there it is.
It's there. Guys, you need to watch White Lotus. It's on Now TV or Sky. But I'm under a blanket now, having some rest. So it's a bit later now. The sun's beaming. I'm just picking my little boy up from nursery. We just had the most relaxing afternoon just watching TV. So we watched White Lotus, but I fell asleep, so then I had to rewind it. And then I've just started watching Big Pretty Lies. I feel like I've made that up, with Reese Witherspoon and Nicole Kidman, sorry. I was just thinking, I don't know if that's what it's called, but I've seen things about it. So yeah, I just started watching that, so I'll probably like catch up on that when Otis goes to bed. So yeah, I'm just picking him up now, and then we're going home so Otis can try some new foods. Not new foods, just different foods, because his diet is very limited. He only likes what he likes, but we're on a mission to get him to like different foods basically. He doesn't hate mashed potato, but he doesn't often have it, so we're going to try that with some chicken and broccoli tonight. And he likes broccoli, that's like his safe food. I think he likes chicken, he just doesn't have it often, but rather than in, sorry, my battery just nearly went, but rather than in like a chicken nugget. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I feel really tired because I've had a nap, and then probably not a lot this afternoon. I might have a bath tonight, but we'll see. So yeah, right, better go and pick him up. You having a treat yogurt?
Yeah, I am.
Did you eat all your dinner?
Yeah.
What was your favourite bit on the dinner?
Chicken.
Your chicken, good boy. So we've just been playing Shopping List, great game for kids. And we're about to cook our dinner. So we're just about to make a, well, sort of stir fry, but we've just found this. So we might coat the chicken in that. And it's just chopping the vegetables.
There we go. So if we hold it with one hand.
It's quite hard, isn't it, that corn to chop.
So hold the corn with one hand. And then
That's it.
you just put that little bit of weight down. Mind your fingers and thumbs. There we go. Think you can do that on your own?
No.
Good.
I'll do it with you. Next game, the rocket game.
Sit at the table.
Oh, how come?
Because Daddy want to.
Is my dinner ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go sit at the table. Stir fry. for one because Liam's not eating. So Otis is just in the bath. Liam's in there with him, and I'm just gonna go and tidy up, just making the house all cozy. I'm gonna tidy up downstairs while he's in the bath. Right, Otis is in bed now. Liam's just putting him to bed, and I'm just charging my phone on my bed, but I think I might go downstairs and watch more of that Big Little Lies, it's not Pretty Little Liars, if you know, you know. But I'm going to end the video here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll pick the camera up again tomorrow. I said I'm going to vlog every day until I get monetized, but I mean like quite often. I had a thought earlier and I was like, oh, people are going to want to see me just being at work because I've got a full day at work tomorrow, so we'll see. I might just like vlog when nicer things and like more relatable content / easy to watch. Start again. So basically I'm going to pick up the camera when I feel like it's a good video, if that makes sense, good thing to film. I'm shattered, I don't know if you can tell. So I'm going to end it here and then get in the bath after watching an episode of that show, and then I think I'm going to have myself a little early night. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye guys.